Logo LG. Makes it easy. LG over-the-range microwave charcoal filter replacement. Replace the charcoal filter only if your microwave hood is installed to recirculate air. Charcoal filter part number 5230 W1A003C.
The charcoal filters in your LG over-the-range microwave work to absorb unwanted odors in the air while you are cooking.
LG stove with pan of sautéed vegetables on top of stove as displayed.
The charcoal filter cannot be cleaned and should be replaced every 6 to 12 months.
LG range microwave oven.
Depending on cooking frequency. Begin by unplugging your microwave oven or disconnecting the power. Remove the vent grill mounting screws located on the top of the microwave. Depending on the model, there may be 1 or 2 screws. Slide the grill over to the left or pull to remove the vent grill. Locate and remove the charcoal filter. Depending on the model, your charcoal filter may look different. Slide a new charcoal filter into place. Once you have finished, reinstall the vent grill by putting it back into place. Replace the mounting screws and turn your microwave on. Thank you for watching this LG customer support video.
Modern kitchen displayed furnished with LG appliances.
We hope you enjoy your LG experience.
Logo LG, life's good.